Presenting a pre-owned 2024 Transit Connect XL. This four-door van has a four-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine with front-wheel drive and an 8-speed shiftable O transmission. This Ford has less than 99,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 24 miles per gallon in the city and 27 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, wireless data link, power windows, air filtration, front air conditioning, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.
Thank you for visiting Michael's Motorcars. Since 1996 we have been the Jersey Shore's premier dealership, specializing in quality automobiles at great prices, guaranteed financing available. Stop in for a test drive today or call 732-775-4444.